Hi, I just saw you and your crew handing out stickers to those kids over there. Why do firefighters hand out stickers to children?
The Phoenix Fire Department is proud of our involvement in our communities. We use the stickers as a way to connect with children and their parents. When we are handing out the stickers, we remind children of simple basic fire safety rules. We also like the children to see us in a positive way. We do not want them to be afraid of us.
That's wonderful. And what do you say to their parents?
We remind them to watch their children around water and make sure their children are always buckled up in the car. And we invite them to visit our station so we can give them and their children a tour. It says "Our family helping your family" on our fire truck. We want citizens in our community to be proud of their fire department.
I knew I always loved the Phoenix Fire Department. But now I love your organization even more. I teach a large group of children how to dance. Can I bring them to your station?
Yes, of course you can. C-shift is always the best day to ask for a tour. And come around 3 p.m.
That sounds great. Thank you.